Okay, after knowing how to decide the students fail or pass by seeing the average marks. Okay, shall we decide by seeing every subject have to pass? Okay, the students should pass the every subjects. If the students pass with distinction two subjects but one subject, for example, if the student pass English and math with distinction, but if the science is less than 40, that student should fail his or her exams. So that's considering on each subject. Okay, this is the consideration on average marks. Shall we consider on each subject is fail, if subjects fail or not? The students fail or not have to consider on each subject. Okay, if so, shall we use the logic gate test by using an or operation and okay, and or okay, and ISUL to reset each EACH is not the average. That's from the average. Okay, if so, for example, n is every subject have to be true. That's location. Sorry, that's every subject have to be true. Not n's mean a lot of. Okay, 1, 2, 3 logics, and all have to be true. Okay, all is at least one, or English or mathematics or science logic stats. Okay, and is for all logics, all subjects like this. Okay, for example, I'll show you this for the. Okay, I'll show you 35, not 35. That should be 75, like this. Okay, that should be. That's just only copy, not the links. So you need to retype. Okay, if so, here's the other student other is pass because of the average marks, but for the mathematics he fails the exam mathematics. For the average he pass. Okay, but he should fail because of the mathematics marks is less than 40. Okay, shall we check and logic? The syntax is ant and open bracket and close bracket, and then use the semicolon syntax 1, 2, and 3. Okay, your so one is English. This cell, the max of this cell, for example, the max of this cell is greater than 39. That's its parts. Okay, and then the next is the max of this cell also should be greater than 39. The max of this cell science max should be greater than 39. If this should be greater than every should be greater than 39, so is pass, true. Okay, now false. That means and. Okay, false because there's less than. Every should be okay. All means the syntax is all less than 40. Okay, less than 40 1 and then less than 40 semicolon and then less than 40. Okay, if the less than 40, sorry, I made a okay, I always confused with the Microsoft Excel. Okay, 42 less than 40, true. Okay, what's problem? You can less than 40 if, or sorry, here not like this, less than 40, false. Okay, please check. That means at least one of the subjects is less than 40. One of the subjects is less than 40. That will show this condition is true. Okay, every subject is not less than 40, so that's the condition is false. Okay, false. Okay, another one, every subject is greater than 40, not at least one subject, or it's called false. Okay, true. Why this condition is true? This condition is true because at least one subject, now this is one subject is greater less than 40. That's true. Okay, from maths is one subject is true. English or mathematics or science is less than 40, that will be true. The condition will be true. The condition is finally less than 40. English or mathematics or science. Okay, that is true. Why this is false? Because this is false. English or mathematics or science is less than 40. If not, it will show false. Now, every subject, English or mathematics or science, is less than 40 or not. Not 40, so false. Okay, not 40 is false. Okay, English or mathematics or science is less than 40, that is true. Okay, so it's less than 40. Science is less than 40, just only science is less than 40, that is true. Okay, true condition. That's odd and end condition. Okay, and means always. Odd means 1 or 2 or 3, and means all subjects. Odd means for one condition. Okay, English or mathematics or science or like this is called and. Okay, if so, shall we write if condition? If, okay, if syntax is true, logic and true or false. If the true condition, we write P. We write alphabet, so we need to double quote. Every alphabet, every test, we need to double quote. Every test, if we want to show every test, we need to double quote alphabets. Okay, fail. Okay, I'll show you a dash called okay, fail, every fails, pass or fail. Okay, that's the dash. The dash is not just only one say, there's a lot of say, so or and we should use. So I'll use one and. Okay, and not, and you made a little confused. This dash is equal to this letter. letter true, T-R-U-E, true. Okay, if so, I've already checked true. Oh, fail. Why? Or not, because of the case sensitivity. You need to write T-R-U-E, true. Oh, what's the problem? If true, T-R-U-E, true, what's the problem? I think that should be like this. Pass. Okay, not okay. That means, oh, that's refer to true is 0, false is 1. Okay, not 1. Why? If okay, true, I'll find the true. Okay, true means 1. If this is true, if this is true, that means, okay, you can copy like this. Fail, not this. Oh, okay, right. Fail if this condition is 1, not 1, 0, 0. Okay, if 1 is the true, sorry, 1, okay, fail, not fail, that should be pass, 0. Okay, okay, these two conditions, that's which or logics, that's which and logics. Okay, you can write directly the long form, but there's an or. Okay, using n reset. This is, if you click this and reset, if you click this or reset, okay, I believe you may understand. Okay, but you need to try on yourself. If you don't try on yourself, your understanding level is a little confused. If you write, you may understand easily. Thanks for watching.